had was 400.
There you go.
So,
that's the one. Is this the one you're saying I should buy?
Oh yeah. Yes, Lorraine.
Text them and be like, how much?
Please call. Who's selling this thing? Yours? How much?
48.5 is what we're asking.
48.5?
We're open to offers.
Nice. Is it stock or anything done to
Yeah,
it?
just a cold air.
Just a cold air?
Cold air, and that's it, really.
Still not bad shape.
Yeah, it's clean. I think it's a 20-year-old truck now, right?
Yeah.
So,
Oh, what year is it? The 20?
it's an 04.
It's an
the
04?
first year, yeah.
Okay. 6-speed?
6-speed, yep. Yeah, so the regular cab you could only get in a 6-speed, and the extended cab you can only get automatic.
Right. That's awesome.
So other than wings, decal, and
That's it.
that's about it.
Yeah. And like I said, when I first bought it, I went on Viper Alley. There was a whole bunch of guys selling them. I just didn't pull the trigger because I didn't really care about it. But I was going to keep it as a shop truck, but I mean, I've got a 70 C10. That's like, we got a lot of cars, so it doesn't make sense. This is still, somebody can enjoy it. You know what I mean?
Oh, 100%.
More than just having to go pick up parts for my guys to jump in.
Yep. Okay, cool. Thank you.
No problem. Sorry, your name?
Andrew.
Andrew? Nice to meet you. I'm Alan.
I just thought it would be a nice opposite flip to what I had. Silver blue stripes instead of blue with silver
Yeah,
stripes.
for sure. Well, you know, it's funny. I was telling my parts. On his birthday. White with the same stripes and just sell it as a package.
Yeah.
Just 'cause that's what guys want.
Like that's something sitting
No,
in
it's
yourself
like
garage. Kind of cool, right?
Yeah, well,
It's like,
like I said, you
that.
get looks.
Sap from a tree, yeah. Probably when you guys were in the bush, you probably went through like say,
But-
a tree or something.
Yeah, it doesn't look
I
like
ran
shit.
no.
So that's probably what it is, buddy.
But like,
It was supposed to go around for the time. It was the fastest production car.
That's what I
it
say.
was. So I'm like, hey, what do you want?
the guy beside
Got a nice figure.